Good morning, children. So yesterday we were studying about molecular mass. Hope you are practicing how to write chemical formula by using crisscross method, and now we'll continue what is molecular mass. Okay. So molecular mass of a substance is sum of the atom mass of all the atoms in the molecule of the substance. Okay. So already we have discussed some of the examples. Still more I will discuss. Okay. So that will be from page number, exercise question, page number 44, question number, 44 page number, question number 4. Okay. So I will solve two bits of that question number 4. Okay. Remaining you can try. Okay. So write the chemical formula of magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. Okay. So its symbol is Mg plus and Cl minus, and its valency is 2 and 1. Then what will be the formula? The formula can be written by using this crisscross method. You write MgCl as it is. So 1 is given to magnesium, Mg1, negligible no nitrate. Then 2 is shared to chlorine. So magnesium chloride formula is MgCl2. Okay. So next one is calcium oxide. I think already I have solved once again. You can check it out. Calcium oxide. So symbol is Ca plus O minus. Then its valency is 2, and oxide also carries 2 valency. Okay. Since already you know CaO is the formula, because Ca2O2 will be there. So if we reduce it, becomes CO, calcium oxide, because when the valencies of both elements are same in a compound, then it will reduce. It should be reduced to what lowest simple ratio. Okay. So these are two examples which I solved here. Then okay. So then one or two examples of finding the molecular mass. Okay. So we take from page number 40 only C2H4. Okay. So for this you should know this always: atomic mass of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay. Then this is ethane. How many? This is ethene. How many carbon atoms are there? 2 are there, and valence. The atom mass of carbon is 12. Then how many hydrogen atoms are there? 4 are there. Atom mass of hydrogen is 1. So 12 to the 24 plus 4. So the molecular mass of C2H4 ethene is 28 U. Okay. So when you take the compound methanol or methyl alcohol, this also same way. How many atoms of carbon are there? 1 is there. 1 into 12 plus hydrogen 3 into 1 plus oxygen 1 into 16 plus hydrogen 1 into 1. So 12 ones are 12 plus 3 plus 16 ones are 16 plus 1. So this is 15 plus 16 plus 1, 17. Then this becomes 32U is atomic molecular mass of methanol or methyl alcohol. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate, because when you go on calculating, automatically your mind will capture atomic mass of different elements, which is given already, and after practicing a lot, it will be easier to find out the molecular mass of as many as compounds you want here. Okay, then after molecular mass, we will try to find actually what is formal unit mass. This is a little different in the sense, same only, little changes there. The formula mass unit, formula unit mass, formula unit mass of a substance is sum of, here also same, sum of the atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of a compound. Formula unit, I am using out formula unit of a compound. Okay, so this is a simple definition. So formula unit mass of a substance can be calculated in the same manner of molecular mass, but the difference is we use the word formula. We use the word formula for what? We use the word formula for a substance whose constituent particles are ions. Here the substituent particles in this compound is in the form of ions. Okay, just now I showed one, this one, CH3OH, okay, or C2H2. Okay, these are not in the form of ions, these are generally in mixture form. Okay, then some examples we will solve it, then we will go to other section. Okay, so how to calculate? Same way, ZNO, zinc oxide is ZNO, means finding the molecular formal unit mass of ZNO. Find the formula unit mass. Okay, so here they gave zinc atomic mass is 65U. You can take sodium also they give 23U, oxygen 16U, okay, then carbon 12U, potassium 39U. So these are the units, values of atomic mass of different elements. Okay, now we will solve as many as compounds we can solve it. The formula unit mass, for calculate the formula unit mass of ZNO. How many zinc atoms are there? 1 into, here if we should check, zinc atom mass is 65 plus oxygen atom mass is, how many oxygen atoms? 1 into 16. So 65 plus 16, this becomes 6 plus 1, 7, 81U is the formula unit mass of zinc oxide. Okay, now we will take sodium oxide, Na2O is sodium oxide chemical formula. How many atoms of sodium is there? 2 are there. Then atomic mass of sodium is 23U. So 23 you write here. Then oxygen atoms how many are there? 1 is there. 1 into 16. So 23 into 2 is 46 plus 1 into 16 is 16. So this becomes 62U. So this is how we have to calculate the formula unit mass of a given compound. Okay. Some of the examples from the textbook also, if you want, we can solve it. So what you should do, there is one question, we will try to solve it. Calculate the question on page number 44, question number 10. Calculate the molecules of sulfur present in 16 gram of solid sulfur. This is not, these are calculation part is not there. Okay, we will omit it. Okay. So calculate the molar mass, we can find it. So these are the two concepts. Now children will try to find the molar mass of given substances, molar mass. Okay. So first we will try from page number 44, ethyl C2H2. Okay. So here ethyl is formula is C2H2. Now you can calculate how many carbon atoms are there? 2 are there. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. Hydrogen, how many are there? 2 are there. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Okay. So 12 to the 24 plus 2. It is 26 U is the molar mass of ethyl. Okay. So sulfur. So for this actually we should know at least whatever the atomic mass is given, we will write it here. Atomic mass of carbon 12, hydrogen 1 U, okay, oxygen 16, nitrogen 14 U, sulfur 32 U. Okay, so these all are atomic masses of different elements. Okay, sulfur 32 U. So by using this we have to calculate molar mass or even formula unit mass or molecular mass, whatever it is, you can calculate. So sulfur, actually the symbol for sulfur is S8. S8 is the symbol. So how many sulfur atoms are there? 8. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32 U. So 32 U no need write here, 32 only write, later you can write. So again 32 8 is 2 8 is 16, 1 carry, 3 8 24, 24 plus 1 25, 256 U is the molar mass of sulfur. Okay. Again if you check phosphorus molecule. Okay, phosphorus also if you want we can get it. Phosphorus molecule, it is P4. Okay, so atomic mass of phosphorus is 31 U, it is given already. Okay, so P4 means 4 into 31 is 31 4 side 124 U is the atomic molar mass of phosphorus. Okay, in this way we have to calculate as many as different names, different what molar mass or formula unit mass or molecular mass by knowing just atomic mass. So as you go on practicing, it will be clear, it will be easier to remember. Okay, so just practice, then only it will be clear for you. Okay, now